Auntie Jemima nĩakorwo akiumbũra ndeto cia magegania mũno. Ndeto ciacoka gũkenererwo mũno nĩ fellow celebrities, more so the females a Ndeto, a Shirũ wa GP, a Wambui wa Mũturi meyumĩrie na njĩra nene mũno gũkenanĩra na Auntie Jemima. Na Auntie Jemima, as you may know, she lost her baby, she sadly lost her baby. Na rĩu mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ Auntie Jemima nĩaumbũra atĩ God blessed her again. Ngai nĩarakorirwo akĩmũringira kĩama na kũmũhura maithori make, akiuga atĩ a month ago she actually welcomed a baby girl at 12:10 p.m. A day like today, last month lakini she welcomed a baby girl. Akiuga ma nĩ gĩkeno kĩnene mũno. In fact, when she heard the cry of her little baby, she cried so hard. Kuona atĩ Ngai ma nĩamũhura maithori make. Na she shared this news actually yoka ĩ surprise kũrĩ mafans ake, tondũ nginya ndarakoretwo agĩshare news of her being pregnant. Nĩarakoretwo ahithĩte mũno, na rĩu finally she has come out with it na kuga atĩ her baby arrived last month. Akiuga on this day 1 month ago, my rainbow baby girl arrived at 12:10 p.m. To say that I'm happy is an understatement because my heart is full. Carrying a rainbow baby is one of the hardest journey any woman would go through because you're constantly worrying, being super cautious, getting all sorts of unsolicited opinions and so much more, but it is rewarding. Hearing the cry of my little baby was all the healing I needed after pushing a still baby in 2021. Go for that clinic the moment you find out you're pregnant. Get all tests done in good time. I got gestational diabetes at 24 weeks. I will share this and more soon. For now, I want to celebrate. Wow. Nakoro ageshare na mafans ake akimera. So this, my dear fans, family and friends, is an encouragement to you who has lost once or twice or severally. There is hope. Trust the timing. Nakauga special thanks to MP Shah Hospital kuria araikorirwo agĩtugwo na kana gake, na finally she says happy new year fam. Na aikorwo agĩtwo introduce ra kairitu gake niko gaka haha, so cute. Na of course nĩ ndeto ciamũkĩrwo na gĩkeno kĩnene mũno kuona atĩ she has been blessed after a huge loss, after a very painful loss. Nĩakorwo akĩrathimwo na kana ma, and a big congratulations to her. Nĩkonge na makai merĩ, as Ndeto says, nĩkonge na makai merĩ, na nĩmeyumĩrie na njĩra nene mũno gũcongratulate na gũkenerera ndeto ici mena Auntie Jemima. Inde akiuga congratulations mama, nĩkonge na makai merĩ, gakũre gakĩendagwo nĩ Ngai ona andũ. Wambui wa Njia, congratulations Auntie Jemima, the Lord has done you well. Grow baby grow, and may the Lord prosper. Shirũ wa GP, congratulations mama, nĩkonge na makai merĩ. Wambui wa Mũturi, congratulations dear, I'm so proud. You have spoken of the blessing after the results. Wow. Na ona ithuĩ ma, a big congratulations Auntie Jemima.